On behalf of Beck and Mitch, I'd like to welcome you all here today to this gorgeous venue to share with this beautiful couple a very special moment in their lives. In the time that they have spent together, their love and understanding has grown. And today they will pledge to live the rest of their lives as husband and wife.
For those of you who don't know me, I am Chloe and I have been enemies and friends with Beck for many, many moons. Now, if you know Beck really well, you know that she does not mix well with people of female anatomy and finds herself in the boy club often. We have had many, many fruitful experiences together, outings, searching for delicious food, birthdays, Christmas, horrible dates, eventful car rides, and questionable fashion.
Beck. The friendship and bond we hold now rings different. We support each other when we need it, admit when we're wrong most of the time, and apologise where it's due. I love that you've found yourself along with finding Mitch. You've set goals, you've worked hard to establish yourself in a great job, and you've reached those goals together.
It all started for Mitch and I, two young fellas playing softball. Didn't really get to know each other real well playing softball, but we knew each other, knew of each other. Over the years, our interest grew. Many road trips, fishing trips, and other outings have been made. One thing that was always sure was Roger was always there to hold my beer while I changed gears.
Mitchie, thanks for being such a stable mate in my life. Your friendship has meant a lot to me over the years. Ever since our first fishing trip, we hit it off, and now you're like a brother to me. You're one of the highest quality men, hard-working, clever, handsome bloke as well. I have no doubt that you'll make Beck a great husband.
It's a beautiful thing in life to find a person who really sets your soul on fire. And this ceremony is Beck and Mitch's way of celebrating their love and taking that next step to strengthen their bond even more. And hope that this evening is one of happiness, celebration, and above all, fun.
When you walked into the room, I couldn't keep my eyes off of you.
Beck and Mitch, today you get to marry your best friend. You fell in love by chance, but today you are making a choice. You are right now choosing to be with someone that makes you think, makes you smile, makes you better, and makes every day brighter. You have started this day as two people in love, and you will end it as husband and wife.
The rest of our lives, the rest of our lives, the rest of our lives, oh, the rest of our lives.
The little things are the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say, I love you, at least once a day. It is never going to sleep angry. It is at no time taking the other for granted. The courtship should not end with the honeymoon, it should continue through all the years. It is not only marrying the right partner, it is being the right partner.
With your head in mine. rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. Oh, the rest of our lives. Love is a journey, we'll steady the course.
Beck, from the first time we met, even though you didn't acknowledge my existence in the beginning, I noticed how much of a happy, bubbly and straight to the point person you are. I love your adventurous side and how it drives me to experience more of life, and I love that about you. Your smile, your laugh and just your wicked sense of humour.
The rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives. Oh.
Mitch, thank you for showing her the love and promising her the most epic party if she walked down the aisle and became your wife. Mitch and Beck, as you start your life together, always love each other, work as a team, and you will have a long and happy life together.
This love is like the ocean that's crashing over me. It's like falling rain on the driest plains as far as eyes can see.
Beck, from this day forward, I will continue to love you, fight with you and disagree with you. But we will always laugh with and at each other and continue to smile. I can't wait to see what the future holds as we grow as a couple. I promise to be by your side through thick and thin.
Nobody loves you like I do.
Today I make these promises to you. I promise you no matter how old we grow, we will continue to laugh and have as much fun as possible as we always have. Whatever hard times we come across, I promise we will work as a team to get through it, to grow and to come out stronger on the other side. I love you more than words and always will do everything I can for you and us and can't wait to take this journey with you.
This love is like the church bells, as loud as they can ring. In the good man's face on his wedding day, when he sees his bride to be.
Mitch, from the moment you told me that you had a dog when we first met almost 5 years ago, you had me hooked. Diesel is what drew me in, but you were what made me stay. You are selfless, generous, loving and kind. You make me feel like I'm home whenever you look at me. I love you because you are unapologetically you and accept me for who I am, flaws and all.
Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want them to.
I have never felt more balanced with another human being than I do with you. I promise to always be the place you call home, your patience when you have none, your understanding and reasoning when you need a moment to just be angry about something, and last but not least, your colour chart when at Bunnings.
This love is like a mystery.
Mitch, I don't believe we are together because we are soulmates or fated to be together. We are together because we choose this. We choose us. We choose this to walk this life together. I walk this life with you, knowing that both my head and heart, and I know that I have never loved anybody more than I love you.
Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want them to. Nobody loves you like I do, and I can't get enough of you. I don't ever want to.
Marriage is not easy. It is not a magical fairy tale ending that Pixar and Disney like to paint. It is like having another job. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes passion, and it takes commitment. Every day you have to show up for yourselves and put in the work to make it work. Yes, some days are just natural, it flows, but it isn't always sunshine and rainbows. It's knowing that on the dark days and in the tough times, that you choose each other, not because you need each other, but because you want each other. Supporting them and being in their corner, not about losing who we are, but growing individually and together because you choose to.
Love like we never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens.
Thank everyone coming tonight. On behalf of Jo and her side of the family, obviously people couldn't make it and stuff like that tonight, which is obviously that situation we all live in these days. We all wish us the best and all that.
Stop, take a breath, close your eyes.
Beck, you balance out Mitchie's awesomeness quite well. You're a beautiful person. Getting to know you over the years, I've found you to be just as hardworking, an amazing example of what it's like to have a kind, giving heart. Now looking at you both, happy, wide-eyed newlyweds.
Love like we never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up.
Beck, I choose you to be no other than yourself.
Loving what I know of you and trusting who you will become.
I will respect and honour you and take you to be my wife.
Having to hold in tears and in laughter.
In sickness and in health, to love and to cherish.
From this day forward, in this world and the next.
Time flies when you.
Rod, you'll leave here today with a wife who is warm, loving and caring, and who looks simply amazing. And Beck, how lucky you are as well. You'll leave here today having gained a beautiful dress and a mad bouquet. And I hope you have an amazing life together, which I'm going to love watching. Mitchie and Beck.
One blink and it's over. Wake up, but we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
Friends and family, it is my absolute pleasure to declare you to be husband and wife. You may now kiss.